Well, class, welcome again to my office. This is going to be a little tutorial, so to speak, on the new website. This is obviously the web page for Blackboard, and we're going to go over here if I can, and I just want to zoom in. Here we go. There's our course. Okay, Foundations of Business course. I'm going to activate, going to go into it right now, and I'll zoom back out. You're going to recognize, I hope, the course. Let's get the drop down functioning. Oops. There you go. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit more if I can. Here we go. Now, I have changed many of the headings. Let me go through them for you so that you know what we're doing and why I did it. First, the first one you're going to see obviously is the announcements. That's all announcements will be going in there now. All announcements will always go out to you by email as well. So everything you see there has already gone out by email. The course syllabus remains unchanged. The course book information remains unchanged. Now, the course, as I have learned over the period of time, has a significant limitation. Let me put this down here for a second. And that's the following. I am only allowed 40 megabytes of memory for this course. And I would go through that extremely quickly. Matter of fact, I did by the second week. And so that's why I was constantly having the problem of trying to get information out to you. However, through Mcgraw-Hill, I'm able to have 20 gigabytes of memory. And so what I'm going to set up, since we paid the money to use it anyway, is a portal from Blackboard to the Mcgraw-Hill site. Okay, and that way, once you go to Blackboard, you sign to Blackboard, you'll be able to go right over and see all the information in the Mcgraw-Hill site that I'll be putting up. Okay, so that's why I took down everything that I had, those class modules. Didn't make sense anymore. It was simply redundant. And we're going to go through the Mcgraw-Hill portal in a second. There's my resume, and then the course assignment information. Any assignment, in other words, there'll be an announcement about it. For example, how the discussion board works, how our case study works, things like that. Going to put that in the course assignment information. Discussions obviously are discussions. The tools are there to help you. So let's go look. I'm going to activate the Mcgraw-Hill portal. And it comes up. And let's go over here. I'm going to put the camera so that we can see it. Wide angle. And you'll see there's three things there. Okay. Let me just get this like this. Now let's go through each one of them. The first one you've already seen. That's the Connect data. You use that in order to sign up for the course. There's the Connect course site. Going to talk to you that in a second. And then the last one is the support information. So if you get stuck with anything, that's where you're going to go. So let's go to the Mcgraw-Hill Connect course site. Now you'll notice a statement that I have there. Your assignments sections will have all the videos. And then when you go to the library, and I'll show you how to do that, the net effect will be that you'll be able to see all of the postings or all the PowerPoints. Okay, so I'm just going to put the camera down here for a second. I'm going to come back like that. Come back. Okay, put that down. And again, I apologize, a little bit herky-jerky here. So now we go to the Mcgraw-Hill site. So you're going to go into Blackboard, right? And then Blackboard will take you over to the Connect site because like I said, we paid for it, so let's use this thing. So I'm going to put my email address here, right? DDO. And it comes up. Put in my sign in there. And it's going to take us in, right? You'll put your email in, your password in, okay? And it's going to take you to our course, okay? Which is the Bateman course. Give me a second here. My Wi-Fi is not the fastest in the world. Here's Connect, right? Foundations of Business. There's our course. Don't want that, right? go down here. Now we're going to go to our course, just like you're doing the same thing when you do a quiz, okay? And, oops. This, because this is how you see it, okay? So, here's our assignment area, right? I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay? What you're going to see from now on, okay, is under the assignment area, see, there it says ungrouped assignments, are our quizzes, quiz 1 and 2, and all of the video presentations about one thing and the other. They're all going to be right there for you, okay? So I'll scroll down and you can see them all. Okay, they're all loaded up there, and the new ones that we're making tonight will appear there. Okay, now, also, okay, if we look at the top, you'll notice there's a thing here. See this thing that says library right here? If you hit that, light it up, okay, and give your machine a second. Your machines are probably, hopefully, faster than mine. 1 second. There you go. You'll see that you have a whole bunch of choices. See the one that says My Files here? Right? If you hit that, like that, here are first all the PowerPoint presentations for each chapter in the book. So if you get lost at anything in the book, here are the PowerPoint presentations that summarize it, okay? And then down the bottom are the PowerPoint presentations that go to the lectures that I gave, okay? So that's, in a nutshell, what I've done, okay? So the idea is that, just so you can understand it, after a lot of effort, is that now you go to the Blackboard site. You have a portal that takes you over to Mcgraw-Hill. So when you have to do a quiz or you want to look at a PowerPoint presentation, want to look at a video, it's all right there. Got plenty of space. We can fill it up, okay? And any new postings, that's where it'll be. Now, anything I post, either in Blackboard or in Mcgraw-Hill, you'll always get an announcement about it, okay? So that's the tutorial about the new website. Hope you like it. It took a lot of effort to get here, a lot of planning, a lot of thinking, but we got it ironed out, and this is how we'll be proceeding for the rest of the course. Any questions, as always, you can feel free to drop an email or text or even call. You've got my phone number, and I hope that this makes it easier and more productive in your studies. Take care. Talk to you soon.